Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the crucial 16GB DDR5 Pro desktop module, a memory upgrade promising a significant performance boost for your desktop. This stick boasts a speedy 6,000 metric tons data transfer rate, which is definitely something to get excited about if you're looking to improve your system's responsiveness. This crucial module is a standard DDR5 UDIM, meaning it has the typical 288-pin configuration. Compatibility is key, so make sure your motherboard supports DDR5 6000 memory before you consider this upgrade. It's designed for desktops, so laptop users will need to look elsewhere. The module we're looking at today is a single 16GB stick. Crucial also offers this in a kit. The speed is the main selling point here. DDR5 already offers a performance jump over DDR4, and 6,000 metric tons is a sweet spot for many modern CPUs and motherboards. It should translate to faster loading times in games, smoother multitasking, and snappier performance in demanding applications like video editing or content creation. Crucial backs this memory module with a limited lifetime warranty, which is always reassuring. It speaks to the company's confidence in the product's reliability and longevity. So, who is this memory module for? It's ideal for gamers looking to squeeze out every last frame per second, content creators who need fast memory for editing and rendering, and anyone who wants a more responsive and efficient desktop experience. If you're still running DDR4, upgrading to DDR5, especially with a module like this Crucial Pro, can be a game changer. Just be sure to check your motherboard's compatibility list before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.